at your home and maintain social distance and follow the rules of health for coronavirus. Let's go to see a video class. Welcome, my dear student. Welcome, my dear student. We are going subject English second paper, class 9-10. Unit 11, time 20 minutes. Follow it and read. My dear student, you show a picture. If you try hard, you will do it. If you try hard, you will do it. My dear student, what kinds of sentence it is? Okay, it is a conditional sentence. Okay, our today's lesson is conditional sentence. Now we are going to learn about conditional sentence. Outcomes. By the end of the lesson, student will have learned about conditional sentence, learn the uses of conditional sentences and learn the kinds of conditional sentence. It is our outcomes. Okay, my dear student, what can you see? There are two girls. They are going to school. If you go to school, jodi tumi school jao, this is the Bengali meaning. You will learn more. If you go to school, you will learn more. Next, if you eat vegetable, you will be healthy. So, in this example, we follow the formation of conditional sentence on. The formation if plus present tense plus future tense. This is the formation of conditional sentence on. My dear student, please write down on your khata the formation, the first formation of conditional sentence. If plus present plus future and remain it. Okay. My dear student, if you follow the another clause, if you went there, you would meet him. Next example, if you presented every day, in your class, you would learn more. Please attention to this class for the formation 2. This is the formation 2. The formation if plus past plus future in the past. This is the formation of conditional sentence 2. Of course, you write down on your khata the formation 2 if plus past future in the past. Okay. My dear student, we see a clause. If I had seen him, I would have helped him. Next, if you had gone to college, this is the formation of conditional sentence 3. Of course, you write down on your khata and memorize it. The formation of conditional sentence 3 if plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. Again, formation of conditional sentence 3 if plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. This is the formation of conditional sentence 3. I have given you 3 formation of conditional sentence. First condition was present plus past plus future. Second condition if plus past indefinite plus future in the past. And third condition if plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. Okay. If you have completed the masters, you will get a good job. Oblique, you get a good job. You follow, there is use 2 tense. First clause use future indefinite and other clause use present tense. So this formation number 4, the formation will be if plus present perfect plus future oblique present tense. I have given you 4 formation of conditional sentence. Everybody write down on your khata and memorize this formation. You cannot able to memorize the formation, you can't able to make or completing sentences in conditional sentence. So, of course, you memorize the formation. Okay, my dear student, we have seen the structure before class. There are 4 structure we see in the board. Formation on if plus present tense plus future tense. This is the formation known on. And second formation if plus past indefinite plus future in the past. This is the formation 2 of conditional sentence. Okay. Now we are going to learn or see the formation 3. If plus past perfect. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. This is the formation 3. Now we are going to learn the formation 4. If plus present perfect plus present tense oblique future tense. This is the formation known 4. My dear student, I have seen you 4 formation. This formation is for the only conditional sentences. Of course, you have written down on your khata and memorize this formation doing the conditional sentences. Okay? Okay, my dear student. My dear student, if plus present plus future, everybody study it is. If you come, I shall go. You follow. If you come, this is the present tense. I shall go, this is the future tense. So, if plus present plus future, this is the formation and this is the example. So, it is the rule of first conditional sentence. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now, if plus past plus future in the past, this is the formation known 2. And if we example, if you work hard, you would shine in life. You follow. If plus past indefinite work, it is the past form. So this clause is past indefinite. So next clause will be future in the past. That means will be changed into would. Shall will be changed into should. So would, could, should, might, etc. You can use in this clause and formation known 2. Okay, my dear student? Now, we see the formation known 3. If plus past perfect plus future perfect in the past. This is the formation known 3. My dear student, we have example for formation of 3. If you have finished the work, you would have got a prize. This is the past perfect and next clause will be future perfect in the past. That means would have, should have, could have, might have. Next verb will be past participle. Okay, my dear student? This is the formation 3. Now we are going to learn some sentences. My dear student, you have completed the sentences. I have write down 5 sentences. Okay. If you read attentively, you can use the formation known on. What is the answer? Everybody try to answer these clauses. I have used only one clause according to the formation. According to the formation, my dear student, you have complete the next clause. Now we are going to complete the clause or sentence. You follow. If you read attentively, যদি তুমি মনোযোগ সহকারে পড়ো this meaning of Bengali, you will pass the exam. তুমি পরীক্ষায় পাস করবে. This is the Bengali meaning of the sentence. Okay, next. If he goes to school, he will learn many things. This is the second example. Now, if you came here, I would help you. This is the formation 2 or rule of conditional sentence. If you had come, you would have met him. Now, if you have finished the work, you will get a prize. Oblique, you get a prize. You can use two tense in these sentences. Future indefinite tense or present indefinite tense. The first part of the sentence use present perfect. You can use next clause future indefinite or present indefinite. Okay, my dear student. Evaluation. My dear student, now I have given 5 clauses. You have to complete all the clauses according to the formation of conditional sentence. Before slide, I have discussed clearly the formation 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if you memorize this formation or rules, of course you have completed these clauses, I hope. Okay, my dear student, read it and try to fill up it. Okay, if you eat good food, this is the solution. If you eat good food, you will make good health. Okay. If you go to market, you will buy a shirt. If you cut the trees, you would not get oxygen. If you knew the phone number, you would call him. If you had gone there, you would have seen him. Had you read more, you would have passed. Okay, my dear student, please write down the answer of the sentences. Clear? Now, my dear student, I give you the homework. Everybody open your khata and write down the home tasks. Make the 5 sentences use of conditional rules. Okay, my dear student, everybody try in your home and everybody is well. My class is in. Goodbye.